Welcome to my Morjim house. I have these two rooms. In one room I eat, work and store all my clothes on the bed. In this one I read, watch YouTube and sleep. I have just this metallic wardrobe, but it has this smell as a painting, so this metallic painting smell, and if I keep my clothes there, it's gonna be this smelly. So I don't keep it inside, and I use just this mirror. In Russian language we call this Indian style bathroom dushalet. Dush means shower and toilet means toilet. So we make it together and we say dushalet, like shawlet. Yes, shawlet. So this is my Indian shawlet. And I'm very happy to have this washing machine. Back days in Aramboli I never had AC or washing machine in my house. Now I'm so happy. Here is this painting I was talking about previous videos. It's my friend Lana painted last season and left it in some studio in Morjim, so I came and took it with me. The sweets I bought in Aramboli. This box. I want to try it with you. Actually, I already tried it yesterday and I ate a couple of them because I just couldn't stop. I think this is from nuts, and this, I would say it's chak. It's like from Central Asia. Yeah, I don't know how you call it, but it's jelly. Jelly. Even the jelly is nice. Actually, I have a reason to go out to take my Amazon delivery. Hello. Amazon is working even during monsoon. I am so happy about online shopping in India. And I love Amazon, the delivery, because prices in the shops are crazy expensive. Here it says price for 500 grams of protein, retail price, it's 1,700 rupees. 1,700 for the protein. You know how much I paid in Amazon? Around 600. It's like 3 times more retail price than Amazon price. Another weird thing, it's really weird because I could just order normal blender, right, to blend any juice, any smoothie, but I ordered this handy blender, so to blend something you have to do it manually, probably to spend more calories, I guess, that's why I ordered it, but no, actually I want something lightweight to travel with it. I even don't remember what I ordered, you know. Okay, what's it? It's a gym towels. I love people who bring the towels to the gym because it's how it should be, you know. If you're sweaty and smelly, just use the towel, okay? So you put this towel and sit on it, or you just put it like this when you know, I like it, this size, you see. And for colors, because I have to use it, then keep it for washing machine and then wash all of them. And also I have so many different gym outfits. This color, so then I have this color, maybe, then some pink, whatever, so I'm happy. and quinoa. I'm too tired of pasta, of macaroni, and of rice. In Latin America, I ate rice all the time. It's mostly rice everywhere, so I need something else. Even quinoa, it's from Latin America, but it's not that common there. You almost never eat quinoa in cafes and on a lunch. And in Russia, it's superfood, it's very expensive, it's like cool stuff. So I don't know what in India, what you know about quinoa, but I like it. And here it says it's 500 rupees for big pack, and I paid just 200. So retail price it's 500 and I paid 2. It's a good deal. What is inside of my fridge? There are tasty curd, but I don't drink it. First, I make it frozen. Then I unfroze it, and then I eat it as a cottage cheese. You remember I showed you how I bought the cottage cheese for 500 rupees per kilo? So now I'm making it myself. Almost forget for protein. Yesterday I had so hard training. Subscribe to watch my video from the Morjim gym. It's very interesting. So today I need a very high level of protein for my muscles. It's not a promotion. Actually, I don't like this taste of this protein. I just ordered the cheapest option from Amazon. So if you know the better taste of protein and you can recommend anything, let me know in the comments. And here I am, having my breakfast with an amazing view. Да что ты убегаешь? Ну зачем? Зачем? Привет. Я просто хочу познакомиться.